Going for a Saturday ride. My buddy Shusha's called. Told me kind of yesterday, but I don't have any idea where I'm going or what we're doing. So I'll find out. I'll tell you along the way. Guarantee there'll be some. Hopefully there'll be some food involved. I don't know. It's kind of a little bit cloudy, not too bad. So hopefully no rain, because I really don't like riding in the rain that well. But if it does, it's okay. No worries. I haven't been on a Saturday ride in a while though, so I'm kind of excited. What's that? Ah, you like it?
What's up?
What's up, man? How's it going?
All good. I was like fully blank. This guy, he came to me and he was like,
Are you paying?
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, okay. I have no idea what you said, but okay.
The dam over there.
The dam?
The highway.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen the dam over there?
No, I haven't seen it. Oh, is it a big dam?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
You have seen many times. When you go to this highway, and there it is there. Just you pass like this, and here's the dam, and whole river is with you. Rapti River.
Oh, okay, okay. I just never seen the dam though, but I'm gonna go see a dam. That'll be cool. Just waiting for some other people to show up to go for the ride. It's so friggin' sweaty. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's that hot, but it is so sweaty. It's so sweaty it looks like I pee my pants sometimes. Yeah, I don't know how far away it is, but I guess we're gonna come back and get some food and stuff later, so I think I need some more caffeine. I think I have caffeine in my backpack.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Yeah, I've seen your motorcycle. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah,
It's nice. Yeah. I didn't notice it at first.
Yeah, I do like motor vlogging.
Yeah, I saw you on before. Yeah, I like that bike.
One of my video was like viral.
Oh.
I got crashed in that bypass road.
Oh, yeah. You gotta be careful around here. There's some crazy drivers.
Yeah. Like Bisal, you know Bisal, the tattoo artist.
Yeah.
He told me about you. Like
That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a
Mileage? Yeah. Petrol mileage? Yeah. I have no idea. Hey, where you been?
deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal. Right? Hey.
this is nice location. Let's take some snaps.
What?
This is nice location.
Okay.
On the side now, get out, right? Okay, let's go.
I think it's just a documents check. They're not checking mine, but I figured I'd rest a little for a minute.
They are saying that we are over speed.
Oh.
In a forest, we are not allowed to speed.
Okay.
And that's why we have to wait for some time. We are just managing there, and we'll be.
Everything okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, okay. Going to how do they? Oh, man, they're not usually out checking that.
Yeah, they got the speedometer and
Shit,
they
a
said,
radar gun.
Yeah, we are in more speed. I just told we are not speed, but our bike is loud. That's why you heard speed. They didn't measure our speed.
Oh, okay.
But they're just saying that you are loud. That's why you are speed.
I've been on this road so many times. I've never seen them out with a gun.
I also never seen.
Yeah, I didn't know they did that.
Yeah, it's just new. We're just loud. That's why they think so that we are over speed.
Hey, you heard that? So we're going too fast. traffic police. I don't think I want none of that. Definitely don't want none of that. Alright, we're going now. Huncha. Oh, it's a lot cooler here. That's much feels much better here.
You both were nearly.
Yeah, I saw that. I was like, whoa.
It was really close call.
Yeah, I was like, whoa.
तेरे उसको बुलेट बता क्या होता है तो हाथी से वो सीधा जाना मित्र ये शॉर्टकट आना होता है ये मौसम को वो दाई हां फुल फिल्म को वो के
It's much cooler here. It's cold water, so that's really good.
That traffic car was coming over there.
Oh, the traffic police?
Yeah.
I saw that. I turned around. I want none of that.
उसले पहिले के भने थियो मलाई त जाऊ भनेर चाहिँ मजा
I was walking towards you and I saw that. I was like, oh, I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll go from here to Nepal, Dam?
Yeah, from the dam.
Oh, you go straight.
It's over there, you can see.
Out the back?
Part of dam. From here, this side.
Oh, right out that?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the biggest dam.
In Nepal?
No, in Nepal.
In Banke?
In Banke. Last time, one security guard of that dam forgot to open the door. Just he opened only one door in monsoon time. And due to the heavy rain, the river was till here.
Oh, all back here?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And he at the 2 a.m. He opened 10 doors of them, and Nepal was fully flooded.
Oh, wow. When was this?
It was like about 10 years, I guess 10.
Oh, really?
Look at me right in the eye and tell me it's mine. If not, I'ma make it that way. You know I want you in a major way. Just that body make you show your grace. I've been trying to get you face to face. Fall through and give you ways.
अनि एउटा प्लेट ल्याइदिनु न.
So do you eat the bones?
Yeah.
On all of it? Oh, nice. That's the best way to eat. What's this called?
It's called यसलाई के भन्छन्? कुन माछा? सानो माछा. It's called small fish and it's called I don't know
Big
what.
fish?
Yeah.
Swear. Every time you drink beer, your English gets better.
Because Baba. Baba inside English. फेरि तिनीहरूको एन्ट्रेसन नम्बरै छैन.
No, I'm getting stuck.
Trust me, I got you, baby. Know how to make it. I'll treat you how I will.
Yeah, they were like some little fish. I showed it to you. You still have their eyes. So it felt a little weird eating them, but they were fried, but they were really good. The bigger fish was good too. A little bit of bone in that one. The little fish, you could just eat all the bones. It's really good. It seems like it's a family that owns this place out here, and it was really good. And then I think hopefully found a new pork place. I'll go to it. So I think we're gonna head up to that dam pretty soon.
How is the feeling?
This is a terrible idea.
I know. I was thinking, Scott may think, what a crazy guy, man.
Stopping in the middle seems like a bad idea. Yeah, I rode to the other side of this thing and parked on solid ground. Like, I don't mind if I fall in the river, but I don't want to fall in with my motorcycle. And man, you can see that this thing just is wobbly. With all our motorcycles parked in the middle, it seemed like a bad idea. Crazy fuckers. That should be crazy. Young dudes are crazy. I ain't never been on a bridge like this before. It's so wobbly. It's pretty cool though. The view is awesome. The river seems pretty high, probably because of monsoon. So I'm glad we came all the way out here. And the food was good. The fish was really good. Yes.
How does this feel today?
Young guys pagal.
Yeah, all more pagal.
Oh yeah.
All guys pagal.
Oh yeah. That bridge is a little wobbly.
ए गाडी किन बन्द गर्छु ले यार बन्द गर्छु अबे यस्तो ठाउँमा अबे माथि लगे गाड पर्छ माथिबाट यहाँबाट डोरार पनि स्टार्ट भइहाल्छ घुमाएर तर यहाँ गएर घुमाउनु पर्यो त्यो म गर्दिन्छु.
That would suck ass for this thing to break. And it's not like Nepalis are well known for their craftsmanship sometimes. Look at this. It's like crazy. That dam's kind of cool though. That's the dam way down there. So did that fish we ate come out of this river?
Yeah. That fish we ate, that's this river's fish. Local.
Oh, you go across the dam?
We just want to take a drone shot. We
Okay.
always ride from here, and the drone will take the video.
सुनो बाबा रणछोड़दास की वाणी. आज गर्मी इतनी होने वाली है कि अच्छे से अच्छे लोगों की है फटने वाली. समझे?
Words of wisdom from Shiva. I hate that feeling. It feels like I'm always gonna fall over.
I love this sound. It's really good.
Yeah, it sounds really good. Yeah, I'm not driving back across that again. He forgot to push the play button on the drone when we all crossed the bridge. I ain't driving back across that bridge again. I don't like it. Yeah, we're gonna go back across that dam. It's down that way.
So we're back after flying the drone. I just got to press
Play
button
or record.
button on and
Press the play button.
but I just watched supervise it.
Yeah.
It was doing so damn cool. But it
Didn't get recorded. That sucks.
Yeah, but
He's brave.
yeah,
He
I
got
recorded
my-
his.
He got my.
I can.
Yeah, it was a lot better driving across that than the bridge. yeah, that was the Saturday ride. I had a lot of fun. You know, thank you to Srishesh and Shiva, the usual suspects that are always on the ride. And also all those other guys that came on the ride too. It was really a lot of fun. It was great meeting them. When we went out there, we had to go through Banke National Forest, where you have to drive a certain speed. You can't drive too fast. And then on the way back, we took a shortcut and bypassed Kolhapur and stuff like that, which I'm pretty sure for part of that, we were on a dirt road through the middle of the jungle, which that seems like it's probably not safe with all the wild animals that go through there and stuff like that. And then I didn't record this conclusion or this follow-up until today because when I first got back, I was so hot, so tired, I just couldn't do it then. That's just like when on the way out to the dam, we stopped at that little, here they call them little hotel, they call them hotels, but they're little restaurants where we got the fish and stuff. And I should have interviewed the owner. She was really nice and her kids were working there with her, but my brain wasn't working because it was just so hot. You know, it's really hot this time of year and it rains a little, then it gets super humid and you're really sweaty. But other than that, I mean, the ride really was a lot of fun. The fish was really good. I've said it a couple of times in the video, but I just wanted to make sure those people, the lady and her kids, they were really, really nice. And the service was great. And it was really fun hanging out and talking and things like that. And I really had a good time. The dam was really cool. The one guy brought his drone, which I put some shots in the video, which was really cool. Yeah, so if you like the video, please make sure you like and subscribe to it. It helps me out. I'm trying to build my subscribers up, and I'm going to keep making more videos, do more rides, hopefully on Saturdays, and do all that kinds of stuff. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.